There are many reasons why we make horizontal lines or lines that extend from left to right in Microsoft Word, one of which is when making letterheads. So, this time we will create a horizontal line in a Word document using the WPS Office application on a cell phone. The method is very easy, read this tutorial to the end to find out how to make it. First, open a Word document using the WPS Office application or create a new document in WPS Office application, then select the Tools menu in the lower left corner. Then click Insert, scroll down until you find Shape, click and select Line. Arrange the line according to its length and also adjust its straightness. To edit this image, friends can select Drawing Tools. We can edit the thickness of the line and its color. Apart from thickness and color, we can also edit the style of the line. Here there are only 3 line styles: straight line, dotted line and dotted line. So how about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to make straight lines in a Microsoft Word mobile.